Hey guys, Seth here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my socket. So what I have here is a custom made direct skin fit suction socket, and direct skin fit is pretty much what it says. It's just my leg and then the socket. There's no pins, no locks, no liners, no socks, no anything that is holding this thing on except for just me and my leg and my muscles. And this works for me. I know that there's tons of stuff out there that works for other people, but I'm happy with this, and I'm able to do tons of amazing things with this setup personally. I've had liners before, but quite frankly, they didn't work for me. I think it just made it easier on the prosthetist at the time that I was going to. But anyways, so in order to get this leg off, all I do is I press this black dot on the valve, and you can hear it letting air in, and that breaks the seal. And so I've been wearing my leg since 5:30 this morning, and coming up on 12 hours straight. Been outside and in the heat, walking around and stuff. So I like to take a little bit of maintenance and dry out the socket, really clean it, and it's pretty easy to clean. Spray some rubbing alcohol in there, make sure you wipe it around, get it all nice and clean, because good hygiene is really important. Wipe my leg a little bit, and then this is a pull sock, and it's pretty simple to use. It's a closed end. On the other end there is a drawstring, and so what I do is I will take it and kind of turn it inside out just a little bit right there and start rolling it up my leg. Pretty quick process, only takes a couple minutes. And of course I've been doing this for 6.5 years. So I will take this string and put it into the socket through the valve housing, and then I will take my leg and position it how I want it on my body, and then from there I pull a little bit of it out through the end. Get in a position to roll, and then from here you can see that the bag is still out of the socket, and all I'm going to do is kind of unweight my leg a little bit in the prosthesis and pull a little bit out and then push back in, and it's all one kind of big motion. And what this is doing as I'm pulling down is it is actually pulling all of my muscle and body tissue into the socket to provide a nice global lock and seal to keep the leg from coming off. So as you can see, my skin is right there. And then I will just take the valve, screw it in, and then the seal is made. And I'm up, ready to start my day. I love my socket. Do you love your socket? Over and out.